Lord, as I step into this new month of March, I come with a simple heart. Thank you for carrying me through the past months, though the days I was strong and the days I was barely holding on. In this new month, teach me to begin again. If there are mistakes behind me, give me courage to grow. If there are worries ahead, give me peace to trust. Help me not to rush through the days, but live them with purpose and kindness. Bless my work, my family, and the quiet dreams I carry inside. Let March be a month of steady faith, gentle growth, and small but meaningful victories. Walk with me, Lord, from the first day to the last. Amen.